Welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ, and I am Stitch. And today we are unboxing the Monster Mamba 2 kit. This has got the 2200 kV motor in it. I guess they're the Castle 15 series. So stay tuned. So we got our second Castle system, and this is going to go into my wife's Black Betty. So this is going to help get Black Betty back up and running after the fire, which you can see Black Betty is right over my shoulder right there. She's nice and all cleaned up and ready to go. So we're going to dive into this. So this is the Monster Mamba 2. It's the 1/8 scale waterproof extreme brushless ESC motor combo. So this one does have the 1515 motor in it by Castle. It's the 2200 kV motor. So we're going to try this one out. She doesn't need a lot of power in it, so we're just going to roll with this guy. She just likes traveling around in it. So first off, let's check out the motor. So this is the censored 15 series, the 1515. 2200 kV, you can see right there. So it's a pretty cool kit. And if we open it up, it comes with a little installation card, nice foam packing. Looks like there's a set of screws. And then, bam, you got the motor. So it's nice and clean. Already comes with the connectors on it. Really, yeah, it's going to be good. So there's the motor, and it should fit in perfectly into Black Betty. So Castle's little saying, overpowering RCs since 1997. So good old American-made motor right here. So we got the motor. Now we got the ESC. So this is the Monster Mamba 2. I believe this has been out for a little while, but this is the 8th scale monster truck ESC that they create. Let's see if we can find a part number here. So it's right there. There's the part number. And let's go ahead and open up the box here. So it comes with the little foam protection. It's got a little information book. Looks like there's some nice Monster Mamba stickers in it. Which is cool with Castle is they give you this this link or this card right here with a code on it that you can use to get a Castle link, which I have one right here. So, and what you do is you get this. So you got to supply your own. It looks like it's the original like FireWire micro USB. It's not the USB-C. It's just the micro USB. And so this plugs into your ESC, and then you plug this into your computer, and then you can set all of your controls that way. I have this one that I got, and I'll get another one with this one, and then I have a cable that I bought to connect up to it, so I can update everything and set my ESC. So it's got a quick reference start guide. It comes with the driver's ed guide on everything you need to know about it. And then I'm delaying this, ain't I? So inside the box, move that out of the way over here. We've got the ESC. So it should fit up pretty good. It's not going to bolt in, so I'll probably do the same thing I did with my Castle system I installed in my Creighton. We're going to put some double sticky back tape on it. We're going to secure it down with double sticky back tape, and then I'll run a zip tie over one side of it to kind of hold it in place so it doesn't move. The switch on this one seems to be a little bit bigger than what they used to have, the little plastic one. I know on Derricks from Derricks AZ RC, his broke on his, and so he ended up replacing that. But yeah, we're gonna get this bad boy installed, and we're gonna set all the curve on it, and I will probably come back and show you guys the finished product later on. We're going to bring it out to our bash this weekend for the February bash, which if you guys don't remember anything about that, that is the AZRC Bashers February bash. We got a couple of more before summer, and it's an awesome time. Now, getting back to this guy, it doesn't come with the connectors. So being we're going to run this on 6S, I will be putting on an XT90 connector on it. So I'll be swapping that out and putting that on there. And we'll be running it. And then if we decide to run anything else like a 4S or a 3S on it, I do have adapters that I made right here. That's the wrong one. Right here, I have adapters that goes right onto it and drops it down to the XT60, so it'll run my 2S, my 3S, and 4S batteries. So I've been changing all mine over to these XT90s and XT60s. XT90s on my 6S platforms and my 8S platforms, and then I run the XT60s on my 3S systems and also my crawlers. So it seems more secure than the EC5 connectors that I used to have. So I change everything over to these. So once you make the switch, you just do it. But all right, stay tuned. I'm not going to do a soldering video on this guy. I haven't had anybody requesting any more soldering instructions or any soldering videos, but if anybody is requesting one, jump down into the comments section. You can also find me on Facebook. All those links are down in my description. So let me know. I can do a custom soldering video specifically for whatever you guys are looking for and learning how to solder. So once again, I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.